looks pretty good. Oh, you're here. Oh, wow, you just caught me. Look what I got at our victory garden here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Yes, out back. You could do this too. It's very simple. We have San Marzano's here. We have Early Girl. We have Roma. That's right. We have Roma and Ace. They're all mixed in here. And I like the Early Girl. Early Girl. I love that. Anyway, look at what we're going to do here. So we're going to do today is we're going to do a Caprese salad. Mozzarella, Pomodoro, and back there I have some basil. I know you can't see it very well here. Some basil growing here. You can do this too. It's so gratifying. So try to put yourself together a little garden like this, a little victory garden. And well, today we get to do this here, and we're going to bring it to you and have some fun with this. This is a beautiful Italian salad. Don't go nowhere. All right, here we are. Hey, thanks for joining me outside at the Victory Garden, Vito's Italian Cucina Victory Garden. You got to get one. You got to do it. You don't need a big area to do it in. You just go ahead and start planting stuff. Today, we went and picked our Pomodoro. There's a lot of tomatoes out there. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to do Vito's Cool Caprese of Capri. That's right. Capri is off the coast of Italy. And the Caprese salad comes from post-World War I. That's right. After World War I, Italy wanted to celebrate and boost the morale of Italy by bringing something good to the people. And of course, food. What else? Italians, that's what we do. You know what I mean? So what did they do? They came up with the Caprese salad, red, white, and green. Just like the flag. Exactly. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put it together for you. What we have right here, take a look at this. This is some basilico. It's basilico in Italian, that's basil. And then we have some ciliegine. There we go there. And that's the mozzarella balls. And then we come over here to the pomodoro, which we got from our victory garden, right? And those are the tomatoes. And we're gonna cut all this stuff up. We'll put it together for you with some balsamic vinegar and definitely some sweet balsamic glaze. Yes, so here we go. All right, here we go. Now, come on down here. I'm gonna show you what I got. This is, of course, the basilico, the basil off the vine here. And then over here is how we do this is you pile them up like this, one on top of each other. And I'll show you how I do that. I go ahead and I start to pile. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness, this is, look at that hole in there. I guess we got some organic little bugs out there. Hey, must be Italian. They gotta eat too, right? Anyway, it's gonna be okay. It's all right. So what we do is we just go ahead and pile them up like this, just like this, like that. You know what I mean? That's how we did it. Just like you see how you pile them up like that? I've already done it over here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I take it and after I pile them all up, I go ahead and I roll it up like this, nice and tight, see? Then I get my scissors and I do the little slices like this, look at that. Look at that, oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. And the okay, that's about it right there. Here, come on down, take a look at what I did. Look at this, see? Just look at how this just chops up real good when you roll it up like that. So it's beautiful, isn't it? So then what you do is you take this and I go put it in here just like this. Put it in the bowl. Look at how beautiful that looks. Huh? Okay, now it's time for some mozzarella balls. They're called ciliegine in Italian, which means cherry. Cherry, that's right. And these are little cherry balls like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I cut them up, and we're going to cut them up into little pieces, quarter them. Pezze piccole in Italian. That's right, little pieces. Come on down. I'll show you. So this is very simple to do. You just take it like this, and then you just quarter it like this. Huh? See that? Little pieces. You see that? Pezze piccole. All right, it's time for our Pomodoro, our Victory Garden Harvest. That's right, the tomatoes. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I decided to go ahead and do it this way. We wanna make our Pomodoro a little chunky, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut them like this, and then cut it like this. See them, like that? Ah, yeah. Ah, that's beautiful. Let's do another one here. Okay. Lengthwise, I go this way, and whoa! Look how beautiful that is. Look at that, beautiful. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous, huh? It's exciting, it really is. When you get to do this and you go pick them and you harvest them, these are yours. This is God gave you these, right? Delicious. Maron, delicioso. Pomodoro. Okay, we'll come back down here. I'll shut up. Here we go like this. Cut them up. Cut them up. Cut them up. Cut them up. Yeah, see that? And then what I like to say about this is, I like to say the Pomodoros, pezze piccoli. There it is again, little pizzas. Okay, here's what's next. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna take them and put them in the bowl just like this. Just like that, look at that. Look at this, how beautiful that is, guys. Here we go. There we go. Gotta get all the juice. I wanna get all the juice in there. Yeah, yeah. Don't want this out. Look at that, look how beautiful that is, huh? You gotta say, whoa, you say, maron. That's right. All right, now it's time to put it all together. You got all your chopping done. You got your basilico. You got some mozzarella balls, and you got some tomatoes, some pomodoro. So we're gonna use some balsamic glaze, and then we're also gonna use some balsamic vinegar. So come on in and I'll show you what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the balsamic vinegar in just to cover it real good right at the start. Okay, then I'll go ahead and I'll put some basilico, some basil, right like this. Oh my God, you gotta use all of it because this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then we come over and we use our mozzarella balls. Okay, let's just hit, boom, just like that. We put it in there. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up with the balsamic that was just there. Look how gorgeous that is already, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, nice and beautiful, right? Just like that. And you know what I'm gonna do right now? Just a little bit more of balsamic just to start with right now. Then I'm gonna get the balsamic glaze. This is very sweet, you're gonna love it. And you just go ahead and just pour it in, just like so. Just pour it in, that's good. See that? Oh my God. You can get this balsamic glaze anywhere. And you just go ahead and stir that in, like this. Stir it in, right? Like this, okay, you see that? Oh, look how gorgeous that is, huh? Isn't that great? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna use a little bit of some pepper, just like so. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of sale, a little bit of Italian lessons for you. Some sale, some salt. Not too much salt, just kind of like that. And then I can go ahead and stir it one more time, just like this. And then what I like to do at the end, because I see all the foo-foo chefs do this, okay? So come on in and get tight. So this is the balsamic glaze, but I'm gonna do a little drizzle. Look at this. This is how you serve it. Oh, look at this. And that's it. And now it goes to the refrigerator and you chill it. You are going to love this. Hasta benedico, which means God bless you, and arrivederci from Vito's Italian Cucina. Ciao!